Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how to paint this snowman sign. I went in first and base coated my sign in the color Fluff and then allowed that to dry. And now that it's dry, I'm going in with the color Lucky Lavender for the fur on my snowman's hat, and I also used terracotta for his nose. And for these polka dots, I used Limeade, the Gulf, and now I'm going in with Peacock. And if you want to use a polka dot brush for this, you absolutely can, and you could go in with different sizes. And I went in and painted my lettering in the color of the Gulf. And then I'm painting all of my little snow details here with sea glass. And I'm also going to use sea glass to just kind of outline his face. And now I'm going to go in with a number 4 round and some black paint and fill in his eyes and mouth. And now I'm going in to outline everything with my number 4 round and the black paint. And then once I'm done outlining, I'm going to go in with the color Cotton and just continue to use this number 4 round. And I'm going to highlight everything, and highlighting just kind of softens and brightens everything up. And then I'll flip my brush over and use the tip of it to just add some little white dots in his eyes. And then that will complete my project. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.